These are my Panasonic headphones, and as you can see, they are not in very good shape. Now I'm going to take these headphones from this condition to this condition. Now I bought these headphone earpads for around 300 Kenya shillings, including shipping from China up to Kenya. I bought these on AliExpress, and today I'm going to fix them on my Panasonic headphones over here. So what I bought here are rounded 85 millimeters in diameter, and for you to buy, you actually have to measure the diameter of your headphones. So mine, as you can see, they will fit perfectly over here. It was a struggle to get them inside there, but they fit perfectly fine. And that's it, the headphones are done.